Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to enable Workspace in Opera G. So in Opera GX, to enable your Workspace, just go to your settings on here on the left side and click on settings. Then after that, click on browser. Once you click on browser, scroll down the user interface. When you're at the user interface, click on enable Workspace. See, there we go. Click on that, and it will appear on your left side corner. You can see there. When I click it, it will close and open the workspace. So right now, when you're here, you can manage your workspace or add more workspace. For example, right here, I can add workspace. Add another workspace. I'm gonna make it a heart and create. There we go. Now I have three workspace. I can add another one, a crown. There we go. You can add more workspace. As you can see right now, when you click any of this, you will go to your workspace. Example right here. And you go here, it's the same. So there you go. That's how you add your workspace in Opera GX. So I hope you guys like the video and hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. And that's how you enable your workspace in Opera GX. I hope you guys like the video and I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.